Ribandar doesn't have a proper sewage and a drainage network. So this project will ensure that sewage network is taken care of and locals and the residents in Ribandar no longer faces sewage issue. Other important works that the project covers is beautification, the upgradation of the junctions, steps beautification. I believe even the 3 ferry points is being covered under this project. And we have, where we are standing today is the viewing deck, which will have beautification, the street furniture, the street lighting, the smart drainage system and all of that. So I think this is a very important day for Ipsodil and most importantly for the residents of Ribandar because from what I have seen generally as collector also, Ribandar is a very small village, very narrow roads, people are happy living, content, but then there's a lot of work also that can be done, and through Ipsodil we're ensuring that there are smart components and smart elements also coming.
All of the projects will have to be completed within the 1 year time. There is no extension of any of those. So most of the projects will be, let's say, June, July latest by then. See, a lot of these works are being monitored by the central government also. So we get constant requests from them also, what is the progress of the work. So now the smart city mission is getting over in 2023. So all of the works have to be done by them. There is no delaying, there's nothing like that. But there have been a delay in the execution of work from the past also. But now we don't have a choice and all the works have to progress. So it will be ready by, there will be no...
The people of the future.